You have to be very aware and conscientious of all the past and presence of space and time. Your gravity reflects. You must have an ability to convey a tapestry that will foreshadow a future, presenting your next move. You preside, and throughout the day you begin to seek more methods as you learn the behaviors of all specimens and props, and as well whom occupy and entangle the relationships of the confinement and structures of all the being, and the vital and significant growth and evolution into its conscious parts that play a role in this pace together will proceed afterwards. If you show no weakness, as in you keep your mind busy and model through heavy interest, you will as well care to demonstrate action that will weigh heavy in many happy memories and contending magic, and in the thoughts and spirit, it will flow deeper than any absence of it. Part 2, Insight. She'll look into your eyes like a formality as you weigh a restless lifetime. And in the absence of value, it is natural and determined that a price runs its course from conception and all throughout the natural lifetime of an emerging arch. It is a moment of which a chart begins to ascend in the course of its action, and this could involve the human experience in more ways than one.